Welcome back to my YouTube channel, MindSpark. Okay, today's topic is Introduction to Trigonometry, class 10, right? And the question number, that's the exercise is 8.1, and question number is 9th one. Okay, so in a triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. And another question is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So like this type of questions, what you should do is you have to take the whatever given is, you have to take that. Okay, tan A is equal to 1 by 3. Then you have to draw a triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Read the question very carefully. You can see that right angle at B. Question at least 2 times you read and get all the information. So in a triangle ABC, right angle at B. So here compulsorily you have to put B. Then tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. So you can go for A here, A, B, C. And what is tan A? Tan A is nothing but, if you take this angle now, for this opposite side is BC. So tan A will be what? So if you talk about tan A is equal to BC. BC is the opposite side divided by adjacent side, AB, right? That you can compare with 1 by root 3. So that is equal to 1 by root 3. Then what does it mean? BC is equal to, in place of BC is equal to, you can put 1. And in place of AB, you can put root 3. Is it clear now? And how to find out this hypotenuse? You can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay? If you apply Pythagoras theorem, what is that? Pythagoras theorem states, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So you can see AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Is it clear now? So AC square, what is AC square? Is equal to, in place of AB, you are going to put root 3, replace that. And in place of BC, you put 1. So what is square root of 3 whole square? Square and square root get cancelled. You are left with 3. Okay? It is like this. Root 3 square is equal to root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 3. Is it clear? So 3 plus 1, that is 4. So AC square is equal to 4. Or AC is equal to square root of 4, that is AC is equal to 2. When you remove this square, then in the right hand side you are going to put square root. And square root of 4 is what? 2. So immediately you write here 2. Now you take the first question. So you should be very careful with the angle. This A is the angle, C is the angle. So what they are asking, you have to do accordingly. Okay. So for example, first question. You take first question, that 9th. So you have, okay, you have sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Is it clear? So what is sin A? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. So you should write BC by AC. Is it clear now? And what is cos C? When you talk about angle C, then BC is the base by hypotenuse. So then you should write BC by hypotenuse, that is AC, plus cos A. What is cos A? If you talk about A angle, then near to the A angle, AB is the near side to the A angle, that is adjacent side. So this is cos A is base by hypotenuse. So you write AB by AC. Clear? And in place of sin C, when you talk about sin C, which is opposite side? AB is opposite side. So you write AB by hypotenuse, AC. So be careful with the angle. Whatever A is there, it is angle. C is angle. Okay. Now you can replace these values. What is BC? BC is 1. And AC is how much? 2. This is over. Next. And BC by AC, again 1 by 2. Correct? Plus AB by AC. AB is how much? Root 3. Correct? And AC is 2. Then again AB is root 3 by, always you can refer to the table, right hand side you can apply. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, how you are going to do? Numerator you should multiply 1 into 1, so 1. 2 into 2 is 4. Nothing is there means it's multiplication. Okay, here multiplication. So plus separated by this first term is over. Second term, root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. You can see both the denominators are same. Okay, then what you should do, you put 4 1 4 and directly you can add the numerators. So it is 4 by 4, that is your answer is 1. For the first question, what is the answer? Answer is 1. Okay, similarly we can take the second question, that is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So this question same again, you take the angle A here. Okay, so you can see here angle is A and cos A will be adjacent side by hypotenuse. So that is AB by AC. Then what about cos C? Cos C, if you take angle C means near to that side is BC is the adjacent side. So you should tell BC, you can write it as BC by hypotenuse is AC. Similarly sin A. Sin A is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. For A angle which is the opposite, BC is the opposite. So you write BC by AC. Clear? Then similarly for sin C. Sin C is for C angle which is the opposite side, AB is the opposite side. So you write AB by AC, hypotenuse. Okay, AB by hypotenuse. So AB, in place of AB you replace, just see the triangle and replace. Then you will get root 3 by AC is how much? 2 and BC is 1 by 2 minus, what is BC here? BC is 1 by 2 and AB is root 3 by 2. Clear? So here nothing is there means you should consider it as into. Okay, so when you multiply, what happens? The numerator should be multiplied with the numerator, denominator should be multiplied with the denominator directly, nothing else. Okay, so root 3 into 1 is how much? Root 3 and 2 into 2 is how much? 4 minus 1 into root 3 is how much? Root 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. Then here nothing is there, that means you should consider it as positive. So many children will not be knowing this, but you should consider it as positive, and that positive and both are same, root 3 by 4 and root 3 by 4. One is positive, one is negative. Then what you are going to do? You are going to cancel it. Both are cancelled. And what is your answer? Answer is 0. For the second question, answer is 0. Okay. So with this ninth question is over. Okay, I complete this, and I thank you for all watching my video. Okay, thank you very much.